Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going out in the garden and we are going to be cleaning up the strawberry garden because last year I had a mesh top over it, didn't touch it, some leaves blew in there, and instead of just leaving it looking all disheveled, we're going to get in there, take off the whole thing, take out all the stakes that are holding up that net, clean out the leaves, clean out all the weeds, and then re-put the same mesh thing over it with the stakes. We're also going to be harvesting any strawberries that have grown because there have been some that have been growing, so I can't wait to do that. I'm going to grab a couple things and I'll meet you out there in the garden. I did grab my head net because it is really buggy out here. I was in the garden earlier and bugs everywhere just because it's humid and hot, and it rained yesterday, so of course there's going to be bugs. I also grabbed some gloves. Here's our strawberry garden. It doesn't look too bad. Lots of nice strawberries coming in. But we are going to get in there and clean out anything that doesn't belong, like the leaves and just any of the weeds that are around here. Some of those things just do not belong. Those are not strawberry plants. Let's get this done. I also grabbed a bowl so I can collect any of the strawberries that are ripe. Okay, we're going to start by taking out all of these stakes. I've got this netting stuck in here with stakes. Now, as I pull these stakes out, it's getting caught on the mesh, but that's okay. I think we're done. Some of our stakes, these things fell out, so I'm going to fix that. I have also got extra ones of these inside. Okay, I've got to go get a couple more because this thing is falling apart. This thing back together. I brought out these extra pieces. I'm going to grab my bowl and collect any strawberries. Y'all, there are tons of strawberries in here already. This one has a hole in it. Now I do want to mention that I am going to pick up groceries today, and I had strawberries in my cart, but when I came out here and saw all of these strawberries, I took it out of my cart because I don't need them anymore. I'm growing my own. I should have brought 2 bowls. Here's our first harvest of strawberries. We've got a lot of them here. I do have 25 plants planted in this garden, so they are going to give us an abundance of strawberries, and it's my favorite fruit, so that's a win-win for me. Now we're going to work on getting out all of these other weeds so that the roots of the strawberries can have more room to grow, and just so it's less susceptible to pests. Strawberries. Got an onion in here. Look at its little bulb. I might replant that in my herbal garden. Basically, all we have to do is cover it again. This is a seemingly easy project. I hope they continue to grow and flourish. It looks like I had about 5 on this side. It looks like about 4 of them died because I only have the one in the middle. 3, 4, 5. Here's another weed. This. So out of our 25 strawberry plants, about 7 of them have died. So I had 4 more in here. So that's 4, 5, 6, 7. So at least 18 of them are still living. If I did want to, actually I do have 1 more strawberry plant that is planted in a pot over there. I'm going to transplant it into this garden just so it can be with its brothers and sisters. I grew this one from seed. On the top again. It's actually looking a lot better and a lot different than it did before I took that cover off. Now you can't see any of the leaves. I took out all of that stuff that's on the ground. Any of the leaves that blew into this garden because of the winds. I took out all of these extra weeds. Made sure to clear around all of the strawberry plants so that they have extra room and just room to grow. They're looking really, really good. And of course we have our huge bowl of strawberries. That is just a great, great harvest for the first time. And it's not even like summer yet. So these were all growing into the spring. So this is what allowed me to harvest them right now. And it won't be the first harvest because there are many still green and growing. So we've got all of those, all of the ones that look like that light green color. Those are all going to sprout into, well, they're all going to change color and turn red and become the strawberries, but there are so many of them. Like if you just, there's tons, there's just tons. Great, great harvest. And I really love this little tower garden that I can cover so that the bugs can get to it less. Take these stakes and start putting this down. Are done. This garden is covered back up. I might need to take out some of the extra stakes because I put in extra ones. And we just have to make sure that we keep this cleaned out and maintenance just like the rest of the gardens. Maybe if I wouldn't have done this, I would have had a lesser of a harvest. So I'm glad that I'm learning from last year's mistakes. That was a fun little project. I got a bunch of strawberries out of there before I cleaned up the whole area. We got out the leaves and any of the weeds that were in there. We fixed the awning thing that goes over all of them, made sure just everything was out of the way, planted a new strawberry plant in there, so we have our 18 strawberry plants, and now I have these wonderful strawberries. Oh my goodness. They're so good. And you probably don't even have to wash them unless you want to get the dirt off, but you can eat them right out of the garden because I don't use herbicides or pesticides. So good. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and click the notifications bell so you can receive a notification each time I post a new video, which is every Sunday. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Still spring, as most of you guys know. Don't put that. Clean out the, don't put that. We fixed the trellis looking thing. Don't put that.